For years, one of the first things people learned about computer safety was this: install antivirus. And for a long time, that advice made sense. But technology has changed. Modern computers, phones, browsers, and app stores already include more protection than many people realize. So the question is, do you still need antivirus anymore? Today on Zyber, we're going to slow this down and look at what antivirus actually does, what it does not do, and what really protects you online today. No fear, just clarity. Antivirus software was designed to look for harmful software, things like viruses, malware, suspicious files, unsafe downloads. Its job is to scan, detect, and sometimes block threats before they can cause damage. That is still useful, but antivirus is only one layer of protection. It is not a magic shield around everything you do online. And that difference matters. One reason this question feels different today is that modern devices come with more built-in security. Windows includes Microsoft Defender Antivirus as part of Windows security. Macs include built-in protections designed to help block and limit malware. Android devices use Google Play Protect to scan apps and help detect harmful behavior. Browsers also warn about some unsafe sites and suspicious downloads. So for many everyday users, basic protection is already built in. That does not mean nothing can go wrong. It means protection is no longer just one extra program you install. Here is the part people often miss. Antivirus can help with harmful software, but it does not solve every online risk. It cannot always stop you from entering your password into a fake login page. It cannot always tell whether a message is emotionally manipulating you. It cannot fix reused passwords. It cannot prevent every scam phone call, fake support message, or bad decision made under pressure. That is why modern security is not only about antivirus. It is also about habits. Many common problems today start with normal human behavior. Clicking a link because it looks familiar. Downloading something because it seems useful. Reusing a password because it is easier to remember. Trusting a message because it sounds official. These are not failures of intelligence. They are everyday decisions made in a fast digital environment. Antivirus may help with some technical threats, but awareness helps with the human side. So, do you need antivirus? The honest answer is, it depends. If you use a modern device, keep it updated, download apps from trusted places, and do not install random software. Built-in protection may be enough for many everyday situations. But some people may still want extra security tools, especially if they manage multiple devices, download lots of files, or want extra features, like identity monitoring or parental controls. The point is not that antivirus is useless. The point is that antivirus is only one part of security. For most people, the biggest wins are simple. Keep your device updated. Be careful with downloads. Use strong, unique passwords for important accounts. Protect your email. Turn on two-factor authentication where it matters. And pause before trusting something unexpected. Those habits protect you in places antivirus cannot. Antivirus can still be useful, but it is not the whole answer. Think of it as one layer. Helpful, but not complete. Modern security works best when built-in protection, updates, safe habits, and awareness all work together. That is not scary. That is practical.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Zyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.